cannot understand it by this theory. You must depend on diagram. Right. The blood vascular system, open type. The body cavity is hemolytic. The blood of cockroach is hemolytic due to absence of RBC. Absence of RBC. Right. Heart, pump the blood, is a single tubular 13 chamber. Each chamber containing openings is called as ostia. The muscles, important muscles, is alarm muscles. Now you see the diagram. Right. In the you also refer the diagram in NCERT book. Right. Now see the diagram. Right. Now it is the lateral view. Lateral. It is the head. Now what is this? Neck. Now it is the body. Right. Maybe thoracic or abdomen, whatever. So internal organs. Now this is body wall. Sir, it is the body wall. It is body cavity. In this body cavity, visualize there. We have the body cavity. Simpler it is body cavity. The body cavity of cockroach filled with blood. Our body cavity is not filled with blood. In cockroach, in all arthropods, in molluscans also, the body cavity is filled with blood. Hence it is called a hemocoel. Coelom, body cavity. When it is called as hemocoel, if the body cavity, true body cavity, it is a true body cavity because it is lined by viscera and also filled with blood. Hence it is called as hemocoel. Now, yes. Now internally, two diaphragms, septa, which is vertical. Now it is one. It is now it is diaphragm. Dorsal diaphragm, ventral diaphragm. Due to presence of two diaphragm septa, the body cavity is divisible into three chambers. It is pericardial because it is containing heart. It is containing nerve cord, perineurial. Right. It is heart. Hence it is called as pericardial sinus. Is a chamber. Now it is containing nerve cord, hence it is called as perineum. Right. Other than heart and nerve cord, the remaining reproductive organs, trachea, digestive system is present. Perivisceral. So internal body cavity is divisible into three chambers. Chamber is nothing, sinus. Pericardial. Now it is pericardial, perivisceral. It is okay. Now the total is filled with blood. Now what is the chamber? Pericardium. How many total segments? This thoracic 3, abdomen 10. That means how many total segments? 30. The heart is steel now and divisible into 13 chambers. Each chamber is a triangle. See. Now it is one. Now it is one. Right. Like 13 chamber. Heart is single, not 13 hearts. Right. What is this? Dorsal septa. What is this? Dorsal body wall. Ventral body wall, dorsal wall. This is dorsal. The dorsal septum and dorsal body wall is attached by alveoli. Now what is this? One chamber. Right. It contains ostia. Pores. This is called as pores. Like it is ostia. Right. See, simple. Now what is this total? Blood. Now what is this? Alveoli muscles. If the alveoli muscles contract, the dorsal septum become dome shape. Cavity. Which cavity? Perivisceral pericardial cavity decreases. Right. Hence, the pressure is increased. The blood is entering chambers. Due to contraction of alveoli muscles, the blood is present in pericardial is enters into chamber. Okay. Now the blood which is moves to anterior into the head by contraction of cardiac muscles. Heart is also muscle. Heart is also made with the muscle. The muscles of heart contraction from posterior to the anterior. Hence the blood is moved to head sinuses. Again, the other muscles relax, right. Right. Now the sinuses become relaxed. Now the blood is enters into the pelvis. This is the circulation. Right. Now come to this respiratory system. The respiratory system containing trachea, tubes, 10 pairs of trachea, spiracles containing sphincters and tracheas. Just a diagram. Right. Now, it is thoracic. You are seeing dorsal. It is lateral. It is another lateral. Right. Now, what is this? Trachea. Tube-like structures is called trachea. How many? 10 pairs. 10 pairs of trachea. Now it is a trachea. It is another trachea. Right. This two trachea is two among these 10 pairs, 2 pairs in thoracic, 8 pairs in abdomen. This tubes is called as trachea. This tubes is open to outside. This openings is called spiracles. Tube is internal. This tube is called as trachea. But this tube is open to the outside. Openings. The opening of trachea is called as spiracles. The spiracles is located dorsal or ventral? No, not dorsal, not ventral. Lateral. Like how many spiracles? 10 pairs of spiracles. This spiracles is regulated by sphincters. Sphincter. Where the sphincter is there, right, that prevent bidirectional. It is helps in unidirectional. That means atmospheric air is entered into the spiracles, but carbon dioxide is not go to the outside. That is the function of sphincter. It is opening in inspiration, closing during expiration. That means the spiracles is helps in only input of oxygen, right? But carbon dioxide. How the carbon dioxide is go to the outside? The carbon dioxide never is go to the outside through the spiracles because the spiracles is closed. Valvular sphincters, right? We can say later, right now. Come to this. What is this? Trachea. All 10 pairs of trachea divide, redivide, again redivide up to undivisible division. It is called as tracheoles. That means trachea individual. A minute capillaries is called as minute tubule. Capillary is not capillary. Tubule. It's called as tracheoles, which are individuals each side. That means atmospheric air directly tracheal cells. But in this transport of gases, right, the blood is not involved. Trachea. Now what is this? Spiracles. Tracheas. No. What is this air? Atmospheric air. Is enters in spiracle, tracheal sections. The blood is not involved because the blood is not containing any respiratory pigment. Due to this, the blood is helps in transport of food and enzymes and hormones, but it is not helps in gases, respiratory gases. Now come to the excretory system. The excretory system name is called as malphizian tubules. You know. Now it is a crab, gizzard, mesenteron. It is hepatic cecum, not malphizian. Now it is malphizian. This malphizian tubules is freely floating in the blood, body cavity. Right. Now, right. The nitrogenous waste material which is collected is collected by malphizian tubule. Now, if you see the one malphizian tubule, right, this wall of malphizian tubule, glandular and ciliated. Glands is there and ciliated. Due to presence of glands, right. Now, what is the surrounding? External surrounding, blood. the nitrogenous waste material which is present in the blood is absorbed due to glandular and it is moves by cilia and right. It is now the nitrogenous waste material collected by malphizian tubule and pushed into the ileum, hindilia, and it is moved to the outside through anus. The anus is an opening and elimination of feces and also nitrogenous waste material. The outgoing nitrogenous waste material is uric acid, not urea and ammonia, right? Aminotelic, ureotelic, uricotelic. The cockroach is uricotelic because outgoing nitrogenous waste material is uric acid. Uric acid because the conservation of water is must. Now, hence it is called as uric acid. In addition to this malphizian tubule, in cockroach, right, fat bodies, nephrocytes, nice, uricose glands, fat bodies, nephrocytes, uricose glands. This is the other such helps in excretion. But main excretory organ is malphizian tubule. This is the nervous system of cockroach containing double ventral nerve cord, 9 pairs of segmental ganglia, brain. The brain is a part of nerve ring. The in cockroach nerve ring is present around the esophagus. Now see, it is the esophagus. Above the esophagus, a pair of ganglia, supra, sub, and common ganglia. Now, it is the two nerve cords towards ventral double nerve cords. Like we have the spinal cord, dorsal. In all chordates, nerve cord is dorsal. Spinal cord is nothing nerve cord, but cockroach is invertebrate. Like our spinal cord, cockroach is also containing nerve cord, but two, hence it is double towards ventral, hence it is double ventral nerve cord. This double ventral nerve cord containing segmental gland. How many? 9 pairs. Among these 9 pairs, 3 pairs in thoracic, 6 pairs in abdomen. This form the nerves, this nerves is connected to viscera in respect to our segment. Now this is what it is. Supraesophageal. Supra is from this nerves is there. This nerves is connected to the antenna and eyes. That means 99% of nervous system in thoracic abdomen. Head is containing only nerves. The brain is also present in thoracic. Is it? When you cut the head, the cockroach can survive at least 3 days because it is having some cells, brain. This is the one of the important. It is also given in the NCERT book. 90% of nervous system is expanded in thoracic abdomen. Just to nerves is present in it. When this cut the head of cockroach, right, the head will be degenerate, but the remaining part will be live up to 6 weeks. This is the reason. Now come to the components. The cockroach containing 2 pairs of eyes, simple eyes and compound eyes. But simple size is vestigial, non-functional. Compound eyes, functional. The name indicates compound. It means it is made with some many simple. Right. The unit of compound eye is ommatidium. Like 2000 ommatidia together and form one compound eye. See, it is the compound eye. Now it is optic nerve. Now this is 2000 ommatidia arranged radially to optic nerve. It is one ommatidium, it is another one. Two ommatidium is separated by pigmented layer. That means what is this pigment layer present between two ommatidium? Right. The vision of ommatidium medium or compound line is called as mosaic region. Mosaic region. Right. See, the compound line, right, for your understanding, I am comparing the compound line, custard apple. Custard apple. The custard apple is containing black seeds. The black seed is covered by edible white pulp. Similarly, it is a black seed is nothing material. It is another black seed is nothing material. It is membrane pulp. That is pigment. Now it is another material. First material, second material, third material. Now what is this? Pigment. Suppose now it is object. Some object. This object contains suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. It is the first material which is parallel to the first part. Now it received only a part of, it is the received image from part of object not total. And this carry image part, one part. It carry third part. Second part image is in pigmented layer. Because this pigmented layer is present in second part. Hence, in brain, first part, third part, and fifth part together form image. But this image is not complete. Because some parts of object images remains in pigmentation. It is not carried by, because due to daytime. Due to daytime. Light is small. When the light is more, what is this? Pigment sheet is expanded. If the pigment sheet is expanded, the distance will be increases. If the distance is increases, some part of image is missed to the brain. But in night, light is less. This pigment sheet is retraction. That means complete image will be formed at night time. Than in daytime. Hence the cockroach is nocturnal. Now once again, last final. This is the material. Now this material is separated by pigment layer. Right. Generally daytime light is more. Good. Due to high intensity, the pigment layer is expanded. If it is expanded, the distance between two pigment is increases. Due to this, some image of part which is parallel to the pigment is missing, cannot reach the brain. Hence, image will be formed but not incomplete image formed during daytime. Right. If it is nighttime, right, light intensity is less. Hence, the pigment layer will be retracted. Due to this, complete image is formed during night. Such vision is called mosaic vision. But this mosaic vision is very sensitive to light. But during daytime, it is less resolution. Daytime not clear. Now come to the reproductive system. Right now. Reproductive system. Right. The reproductive system. Diosis. Who is a diosis? Cockroach or unisex with sexual dimorphism. Sexual identification of male and female by the external characters is called as sexual dimorphism. Right. The anal side is present in male, anal side is absent in female. It is nothing. Sexual dimorphism. Now the male containing a pair of testes, that is 4th to 6th segment. Reproductive system containing a pair of testes which is present in 4th segment. Now suppose it is the male cockroach. Testis is abdomen, not thoracic, abdomen 4 to 6. Right. Now this is the testis. It is the tube. The tube is called as plassa differentium. Both are together form a sac. The sac is called as seminal vesicle. Now this is called as plassa differentium. This is called as seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle is open to the outside. right, by a tube. The tube is called as respiratory duct. Respiratory duct. This is the respiratory duct is open to the outside by the pore. This pore is called as male genital pore. Testis, a pair of testes which is present in 4th to 6th abdominal segment. A pair of rasa differentia, single seminal vesicle, single respiratory duct. This respiratory duct is open to the outside. Now in order, rasa differentia, seminal vesicle, right. In addition to this, right, the male reproductive system containing mushroom-shaped gland. Right. This mushroom-shaped gland is present in 6th, right, which is open into the. This is the mushroom-shaped gland, which is open into seminal vesicle. When the sperm is synthesized, that is a formation. After that, which is entering. What is this sac? Seminal vesicle. Right. This secretion, this gland is called as mushroom shape. The secretion of mushroom shaped gland is helps in glue attachment and form a bundle. It is the one sperm. It is another sperm. This sperm is attached by a gum. This gum is secreted by mushroom. Hence, when the two rasa difference, the sperms is individually is a process. But this individual sperm, when it is reached the seminal vesicle, they form bundle. The bundle of the sperm is called as spermatophore. Sperm is different, spermatophore. Now come to the female. A pair of ovaries is present between 2nd to 6 segments, 8 pair, but each one is containing 8 ovaries, oviduct. Now see. Now female. Now it is the female body. Right? Now see. Right. This is ovary, this is ovary. Each ovary containing 8 tubes. Each tube is called as ovule. Right. Ovarioles. It is one ovary. Ovary is single. Each ovary containing 8 tubes. Each tube is called as 8 ovules. Right. Now, from this tube, or from this ovary, a common tube is called as oviduct. It is ovary. Now, this oviduct together form a common. This common oviduct is also called as vesicle. Simple. What is this ovary? This ovary is a single. This ovary is a tubula. How many tubule? 8. Each tubule is called as ovarioles. Like 8 ovarioles, 8 ovules. But ovary is a tubule. Right? All ovarioles, 8 posterior, together form a tube that is called as oviduct. Like oviduct, oviduct. This together form common oviduct. This common oviduct is nothing. Vagina. This vagina is open to the outside by a pore, female genital pore. Like male, the female containing collateral glands and spermatheca. In male, seminal vesicle. In female, spermatheca. Right. During copulation, the sperms are stored in female body. In female body, a sac. The sac is called as spermatheca. Generally, the student can mislead spermatheca. That word indicate male cells. Of course, it is a male cells, but it is present in female body. Right. The male term is present in female body. That is spermatheca, which store the sperms. Right. Now come to the collateral gland. The collateral gland. Right. The male reproductive system, female reproductive system containing separate glands. Name this gland of male reproductive system. Right. That is mushroom-shaped gland. Female collateral gland. Right. Now come to this. Right. Now, copulation. External genitalia. Now see. It is the female. It is the female. One posterior and another posterior end is attached. Now, Now it is a male genital bone, it is the female genital bone. Okay. Now in female, what is this brood pouch? It is brood pouch. Right. External genitalia. In second year women reproductive system, our reproductive system. What is penis? Male external genitalia. Like this male and female cockroaches is also containing external genitalia. This external genitalia is a projection, spinal structure, filamentous, is called as gonophysis. Gonophysis. This gonophysis which are present around the male, around the female. In male, gonophysis is present around the male. In female, this gonophysis helps in opening of brood pouch. Right? Now, what is in female? In female, 6. In females, 3. In males, many, that may be 6. Among the 6, right, some are open the brood pouch, some are hold the female. To hold the female and keep correct position of the body to transfer this sperm. Now, one of the male gonophysis carry the sperm. One is open the gonophysis box. One is hold the female. One is carry like this. This is called as gonophysis. Right? Now, what is this male? The male, the sperm released into female. Now the released sperm is stored in female in sperm. That is spermatheca. So the spermatheca is cells is a male cells or female cells, sperm male, but it is present in female. After this is will be separated. Now what is this gonophysis? Male genital. Now the sperm is already stored. Right. What is this box? Gonophysis. Anterior and posterior. This is the anterior, it is a posterior. The anterior part of gonophysis is called as genital chamber and the posterior is called as vestibular. Right. Now, right. It is genital chamber. Total is called as genital pouch. Genital pouch is again differentiated into genital chamber and vestibular. Right. Already sperm is there. Now the ova is releases into genital. At that time again the sperm is also releases. And that means fertilization is not inside the female body. It is takes place in genital pouch, anterior part or posterior part, anterior. Hence its special name is called as genital chamber. Right. Like 16 eggs, because the each ovary containing 8 ovaries, each ovary produces 1 egg. Right. 16 eggs is releases into anterior part of genital. At the same time, spermatophores is also releases. Now fertilization not in the body. It is anterior part of genital pouch, that is genital chamber. Now after that, now what is this? External genitalia. Female is also contained. This external genitalia hold the zygotes and transfer towards posterior. All 16 zygotes is moves from anterior to the posterior with the help of this finger-like projections is called as gonophysis. Now this time.